I'll be working on one of the primitive data types, which is called character or char. And let me show you what are the benefits of using this data type and how do we use it. Let's assign the value of a here, single quote a. Let's print this. So let's print a here, save and play. We're gonna have a here, the console. All right. For example, we have more than one values and we are printing let me copy this. Control C, as obviously you all know. Control V. 6. Okay, we have like 8 times printing this value. So we're gonna play this. It's gonna look like that. All right. The benefit of assigning a value is that, let's say if you want to change and print something else. Let's say you want to print H, and we don't need to change the value here. Okay, so it's gonna take us a lot of time, right? So let's Control Z. Let's do it simply here. Change the value, save and play. Same we can do with integer. Int of b equals 10, and we print this. If you want to print it separately or you want to print it beside this, you just copy one of these values here, and we're going to print b, save and play, and there you go. You want to print more, just simply save and play. So whatever value you want to change, you want to add, you want to give to these variables, let's say 300, save and play, and there you go. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.